Aortic stenosis. Understanding causes, symptoms, diagnosis, and treatment. What is aortic stenosis? Aortic stenosis is a narrowing of the aortic valve opening. It reduces or blocks blood flow from the left ventricle to the aorta. Can lead to heart failure if untreated. Anatomy review. Heart has 4 valves: mitral, tricuspid, pulmonary, and aortic. The aortic valve controls blood flow from the left ventricle to the aorta. Normally has 3 cusps, tricuspid, but can be bicuspid congenitally. Causes of aortic stenosis. Congenital, example, bicuspid aortic valve. Age-related calcification, degenerative. Rheumatic heart disease. Radiation exposure to chest. Note, most common in elderly patients due to calcium buildup. Risk factors. Aging. Congenital valve defects. History of rheumatic fever. Chronic kidney disease. High cholesterol, smoking. Signs and symptoms. Chest pain or angina. Syncope, fainting, especially during exertion. Dyspnea, shortness of breath. Fatigue. Heart murmur, systolic ejection murmur. Palpitations. Diagnosis. Physical exam, systolic murmur at right upper sternal border. Echocardiogram, gold standard. ECG, left ventricular hypertrophy. Chest X-ray, enlarged heart, calcified valve. Cardiac catheterization, confirmed severity. Severity grading of aortic stenosis, echocardiographic findings. The severity is mild. The aortic valve area is greater than 1.5 square centimeter, and the mean pressure gradient is less than 20 mmHg. The severity is moderate. The aortic valve area ranges between 1.0 and 1.5 square centimeter, with a mean pressure gradient between 20 and 40 mmHg. The severity is severe. The aortic valve area is less than 1.0 square centimeter, and the mean pressure gradient exceeds 40 mmHg. Treatment options. Medical management, limited role, symptom relief, diuretics, vasodilators cautiously. Monitor with regular echocardiograms. Definitive treatment, surgical aortic valve replacement, SAVR. Transcatheter aortic valve implantation, TAVI or TAVR, for high-risk patients. Balloon valvuloplasty, temporary, rarely used. Post-OP care and nursing considerations. Monitor for bleeding, arrhythmias, infection. Pain management. Anticoagulation therapy if mechanical valve used. Educate patient on activity, medication, and follow-up care. Regular INR monitoring for warfarin users. Complications. Heart failure. Arrhythmias. Endocarditis. Sudden cardiac death, if untreated. Prognosis. Without treatment, poor, especially after symptoms develop. After valve replacement, excellent, with improved life expectancy. Key takeaways. Aortic stenosis is a progressive, life-threatening condition. Early diagnosis and valve replacement significantly improve outcomes. Nurses play a vital role in monitoring, education, and post-operative care.